3,700 people laid off at Twitter. How will that affect our H-1B clients and H-1B candidates? Because many of the Twitter workers are on H-1B and even on other non-immigrant visas. Before I continue, please click on like and the subscribe button and the notification bell so that we can keep bringing you additional news on immigration. As you know, ladies and gentlemen, we have this issue right now going on with Twitter about the situation of layoffs. 3,700 people being laid off, and now they're filing a federal lawsuit claiming basically that they were wrongfully terminated. And of course, we have other issues on the federal law, but we are in California and we are in an at-will system. Everybody's at will, so you can get fired, but many of them have contracts, so we have to see how this unfolds. But in the immediate situation, we need to cater to our clients who are non-immigrant visas and people who are non-immigrant visas. And for those who have the situation where you're getting terminated now, where you're in H-1B, you need to find a solution. I made a video last time about this, but since the Twitter situation is a little bit different compared to the other situation, I think we need to address this as a separate case, because for one, the situation of Twitter is having so much is a lot of noise. Let's even talk about it. They have now the hashtag oneteam, and it is actually talking about lawsuits against Twitter. And the truth is that the door were closed on them, etc. That's of course, that's very sad, because this is a company restructuring. So we will have to wait and see, because oftentimes companies will do that. They'll just come, terminate you, and then basically let you go the same day. And that's something very, very common in California. But now with the mass layoff on Twitter, Elon Musk, who's now the new owner of Twitter, we have to look at our people who are on H-1B. And people who are on H-1B, you have 60 days of grace period. Not only H-1Bs or visas, etc. You have 60 days grace period to transfer your visa from one company to another. And after the 60 days, you can still move to another company, but it won't be a transfer. It will be a new employment cap exempt, and you will have to leave the country and come back. One of the solutions is to move to another non-immigrant visa, like a B1, but that's not really a solution. It's more like a band-aid, and you can move to a student visa, etc. But for that, I would recommend you call us 510-742-5887. But again, this is breaking news, and it's affecting mostly Indians. As you can see, the CEO, pretty much everybody there at the high level are all Indians, and many of them, I think, are citizens. They are not really the one getting affected, but the lower end employees on Twitter will get affected. Now, we will see what Elon Musk is going to come up with. He might have good reasons for what he's doing, and company restructuring is something very common. Unfortunately, many are getting trapped in that entire problem, a political problem, I should say. Let's be real. It's more a political issue, a viewpoint issue that Elon Musk is trying to bring forward, that he has a different view what Twitter should be, and those employees are not going to be in his favor. And many business owners might agree with him. But the issue is what happens to those candidates who are there on a non-immigrant visa, or those now who have a pending green card. As you know, if you have a pending green card, your I-140 has not been filed yet, you can't file it. Once they are laid off in the company, especially in your department, and since this is a massive layoff, all those cases will be stopped. So for those who are affected by this, give us a call, 510-742-5887. I wish you best of luck. I know we are really in tough times, especially hiring is very hard, and the layoff is going to hurt a lot of people and their families. And just to let you know, your family who are dependent on you, H4, also have to will also lose their status after the 60 days unless you transfer. So talk to us, we can guide you better. and this is sharp rally, then this is my opinion. Of course, you should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. Please subscribe to our channel. We are bringing you very good news now on immigration. As I told you before, I've been neglecting the channel a little bit, but now I'm back. So please follow us, and we will be glad to help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.